Hello boys and girls. Today in math, we're going to continue talking about measuring weight. But today we're going to learn about a standard unit of measurement, which is a unit of measurement that everyone can use. And it's called the pound. Can you say pound? So often in America, we measure things in weight with pounds. Okay? In other countries, they often use other things, but here in America, we usually use pounds. So I went all over my house. I was looking for something that weighed about 1 pound. Okay? I was looking everywhere, and I finally found something. This guy, this big mug. I used a kitchen scale, which is this small scale, and I put it on top of it, and it showed that it's about 1 pound. Okay? So this is my nice big mug. Probably most mugs aren't 1 pound, but this one's a pretty big one. But it has an A on it because I'm amazing. No, that's not why it has an A on it. You guys are amazing too. But this weighs about 1 pound. Okay, so I'm going to use this to help me figure out if things weigh less than 1 pound, about 1 pound, or more than 1 pound. Okay, so that's the goal for today, for you to be able to estimate or guess if another object is the same weight, more than, or less than 1 pound. Okay, so after this video, you can see if your parents have a kitchen scale that you can borrow and try to find something that equals 1 pound. It could be some type of food, it could be a toy, it could be a book. You're gonna just look around and with your parents' help, see if you can find something. Okay? Because then that'll help you feel, oh, okay, this is what 1 pound equals. And then it'll help you with the worksheet when you try and figure out if each item is more than, equal to, or less than 1 pound. All right, so I have a few items here that we're going to take a look at, and we have to guess. Is this equal to 1 pound? Is it about one? Is it less than 1 pound, or is it more than 1 pound? All right, so let's start off with my first item. This marker. Do you think, is this marker less than 1 pound? Remember, this weighs 1 pound. So if you look at them, do you think, is this marker less than 1 pound? Is it about 1 pound? Or is it more than 1 pound? Less than 1 pound. This does not weigh a pound. This weighs less than 1 pound. Good. So this would be, if we had a scale right here, the mug would be lower because it would bring the scale down, and the marker would be up higher because it couldn't weigh this. It couldn't weigh the mug down. The mug would weigh the scale down. Good. Okay. All right. Let's look at another one. Let's see. How about, where is it? Oh, this guy. How about this globe? Okay, so I have, let me place it on my hand. All right, I have this globe and the mug. Remember, the mug is 1 pound. Do you think, is this globe going to be more than 1 pound, about 1 pound, or less than 1 pound? More than 1 pound. Yes, this globe weighs more than 1 pound. The mug is lighter than the globe. So if we had a scale here, the globe would go down and the mug would go up because the globe weighs more. All right, so this is more than 1 pound. Okay, let's put him down. All right, let's try something else. How about this little bottle of Purell? Something very important. All right, so let me place him in my hands. What do you think? Is the Purell about 1 pound? Or is it less than 1 pound? Or is it more than 1 pound? Let's see. Less than 1 pound. This is not as heavy as 1 pound. It's not as heavy as the mug. It is lighter than the mug, so it is less than 1 pound. Okay? And, ooh, how about this one? We're going to use a tape measure. All right, so I'm going to place them on my hands. Which one do you think is going to be heavier? Is it going to be the tape measure or the mug? Is the tape measure going to be more than 1 pound, about 1 pound, or less than 1 pound? Let's see. Go ahead and make your guess. It's about 1 pound. They weigh about the same amount. When I hold them in my hands, they weigh about the same amount. So the scale would be even, like this. It wouldn't be tipping either way because they weigh about the same amount. All right, so this weighs about 1 pound. Maybe not exactly, but it's close. It's about 1 pound. Okay? Awesome. Let's see. Oh, one last thing. our Big Wonders book. All right. I'm going to put it like this, like I'm holding a pizza. And then, let's see, do you think, is this book going to be more than 1 pound, less than 1 pound, or about 1 pound? Let's see. Go ahead and make your guess. Oh, it's definitely heavier than 1 pound. My hand's getting tired holding it up. It's definitely more than 1 pound. So when you lift those up, know you're lifting more than 1 pound. So boys and girls, that is our math lesson for today. So you can do the same thing with your parents' permission. Find something that equals about 1 pound and use like a kitchen scale or something to measure it. And then you can pick up other items and try to figure out, oh, does this weigh less? Does this weigh more? Does it weigh about 1 pound? And you can figure it out that way too. Just a good way to practice it. But make sure you have your parents' help and permission. And then you're going to be doing a worksheet and you're going to find those same answers. There's going to be pictures of items and you need to decide, is it going to be less than 1 pound? Is it going to be about 1 pound? Or is it going to weigh more than 1 pound? All right? So that is up for you to determine, but I think you guys will do a really good job with that. All right? So go ahead and work on your worksheet and have an awesome rest of your day.